business head of Rural Banking Group of A for India's Independence Day. And a credit card comes with a life of cover of 10 lakh as against rupees 2 lakh for an average card. It provides financial agricultural requirements like production of crop, post-harvest maintenance and consumption need. And the headquarters of HDFC is in Mumbai. It is the largest bank in India by market capitalism as of 2020, and it is founded in 1994. And the CEO is Sashidhar Jushan. Question 2. Which railway station took initiative of food operative hand wash? A option Bengaluru, B option Mumbai, C option Delhi, and D option none of the above. And the right answer is B option. The Bengaluru station of South Western Railway. It is the multi-functional free hand wash kiosk which dispenses both water and soap as a precautionary measure at times of corona. And the railway station and railway minister said in Twitter along with the caption "Safety in our hands." Question 3. Who is appointed as an head coach of England women's football team? A option Serena Wigman, B option Bill Vanille, C option Jill Ellis, and D option none of the above. And the right answer is A option Serena Wigman. Serena Wigman is a Dutch footballer and the current head coach of Netherlands women's national football. He is the first woman to work as a coach at Dutch professional football organization, and he will be in charge when England hosts 2022 Euros, 2023 World Cup in Australia, and New Zealand, and following Euros in 2025. And she has replaced Phil Binnell. Question 4. Who addressed India at a rate of 75 Summit Mission 2020 organized by CII? A option A. Amit Shah, B option Nirmala Sitaram, C option Nitin Gadkari, and D option Smriti Rani. And the right answer is Nitin Gadkari. Nitin Gadkari is the Union Minister for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise (MCME). CE addressed India at the date at 75 Summit Mission 2020 organization by Confederation of Indian Industry, which focused on reinventing technology in India. It achieved self-reliant India, MSMEs, Ministry and Industry, which made import substitute cost-effective, pollution-free and indigenous. Question 5. In August 2020, which is of following Ministry of Union Government announced developing of Freedom Fighter Museum. A option Home Ministry, B option Civil Aviation, C option Customer Grievance, and D option is Tribal Ministry. And the right answer is D option Tribal Ministry. The government announced developing of Freedom Fighter Ministry, which dedicated to contributor of tribal people in India to freedom struggle. Sixth question. How many officers has been awarded for recent Police Medal Distinguished Service and Police Medal for Meritorious Service? A option 26, B option 28, C option 30, and D option 32. And the right answer is D option 32. Question 7. Which state government launched a zero survey in state to gauge the penetration of COVID-19 in population and monitor its transmission trend? A option Kerala, B option Haryana, C option Madhya Pradesh, and D option Karnataka. And the right answer is B option Haryana. Haryana's chief minister is Manohara Khattar, and the governor is Satyadev Narayana. The health minister of Haryana and which said that government of to launch survey in state to cause penetration of COVID-19 in population and monitor its transmission trend. Question 8. Who will be the sponsor of Indian Olympics? A option Inas, B option Herbalife, C option Amul, and D option Tata Salt. And the right answer is A option Inas. India Inas is an entertainment public company which is founded in 1999, and the headquarters of Inas is in Mumbai. And the CEO of Inas is Alok Tandon, and our group director is